Now from Wall Street to State Street, the final word on today's numbers and all the day's business news. This is Business Day, brought to you by Comcast Business Class. Internet, phone, and TV for business.
Doesn't matter whether a company is hiring or firing, the HR, Human Resources Office, is a busy place, awash in forms and files, and there to organize and management software produced by an Andover, Massachusetts company. The company is NuView Systems. CEO and co-founder Shafiq Lakhandwala is our guest on Business Day tonight. Shafiq, thanks for coming by.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so first of all, explain what you do. What do you make? How does it work?
We do HR software, and we track people's process right through the company from when they're recruited into the company to when they're onboarded, to when they get their performance done, the succession planning in place, their benefits, their payroll while they're there in terms of transactions that we process for all their employees, and then all the way to termination and managing the termination and COBRA compliance and all of those things.
So soup to nuts in the HR department.
Soup to nuts in the HR department, which means that we process all the transactions from payroll to benefits for the company. So we have a lot of people information. We have all the information about people of the organization, which is really key to a strategic outcome for the company.
In 2009, you estimate this is what, an $11 billion market around the country?
Yes. It's $11 billion for HR software and services. HR by itself is much bigger, but
right.
Just HR software and services, the business processes is $11 billion. Yes.
Your client base is what? Several hundred clients, about 300?
Yeah, we have 300 clients.
And
That's
across
correct.
the sectors?
Yes, across all horizontal sectors.
Okay. Now, is the software one size fits all? Is it web-based, or do you load it in your computer network at the office?
You know, it is web-based, which is what's the beauty of what we've done. It's an on-demand software, what they call SaaS software, if you will. Essentially, you just need a web browser. And what's nice about it is recently we've started doing some stuff on mobile, so you can use your iPhones and your Windows mobile devices to do authorizations, you know, so authorize vacation requests and things like that.
The latest Inc. magazine 5000 report makes NuView number 901 based on a 3-year sales growth of 335%. We don't know what the base is there. I know you're privately held, and you probably won't tell us much about this, but give us an idea. How big is the company in revenue?
The company is about 11 million. We did 11 million last year, and we're looking to grow this year to about 13.5 or higher. So we're doing well in an economy. It's easy to grow in this economy because people really care about how the people in their organizations are doing, who needs to be let go if they have to let people go, and how to make sure they retain the star performers and attract the star performers for the companies going forward.
Is your business in any respect a bellwether for the economy, and what do you see going forward in this recession?
It's surprising because when we did an employee count of the companies that we had as connected to the industry, we found that there was a growth. There's a little uptick in the people that use our software. And part of it says to me that these companies who are buying our software are proactive, progressive companies who are looking to understand where the talent is and to try to get the talent when the talent is available on the market. So they're positioning themselves for the future.
Very quickly, you've got competitors in this business, Oracle and what?
SAP, Oracle, Oracle PeopleSoft, SAP are the big ones.
Do you have the capital to grow this business? Do you go public?
We have some capital. We've got some growth capital this year for the first time, and that's positioning us to grow slowly, conservatively like we're doing. We're not going to grow explosively, but we are positioning ourselves to make that a leap in the coming years.
We'll leave it at that. The company is NuView Systems of Andover, Massachusetts. CEO and co-founder Shafiq Lakhandwala, our guest on Business Day. Thanks for coming by. Good to see you.
Thank you, JD. Thank you so much for having me.